Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain few topics. In that, first one is median. What is median? Related term is centroid. What is centroid? Denoted by capital G. Okay? The formula for centroid also we are going to see. Right? So what is median? First let us see what is median. Take a triangle. Take a triangle A, B, C. Triangle is formed by three line segments. It is a closed figure. A, B, C are vertices. I am going to draw one line from the vertex A to the midpoint of opposite side. What is the opposite side here? BC. So I am dropping one line from vertex A to the midpoint of BC. So that means this portion and this portion, BD equal to DC. D is the midpoint of BC. Okay, so this AD is called median. AD is called median. Line segment drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of opposite side is called median. So AD is median. Similarly, from B also we can draw one median. From B to midpoint of opposite side. Let me take E. So E is what? Midpoint of AC. Can you draw one more median? So this is another median. CF. CF is another median. So what are the medians here? AD, BE, CF are medians. AD, BE, CF are medians. So how many medians we can draw in a triangle? Three medians. AD, BE, CF. They are meeting at common point. They are meeting at one common point. That common point is called centroid G. It is denoted by G. So point of concurrence of medians is called centroid. So what is median here? I will write just definition here. What is median? Line segment drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of opposite side. Opposite side is called median. Okay. So what are the medians? AD, BE and CF are medians. So line segment drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of opposite side is called median. So in the triangle AD, BE, CF are medians. So they are meeting at one common point. That is called centroid. The point of concurrence of medians of a triangle is called centroid. It is denoted by G. The point of concurrence of medians of a triangle is called a centroid. Okay. So why did I say point of concurrence? Because more than two lines are intersecting at one point. Only two lines are meeting at one common point. They are called intersecting lines. Right? Intersecting lines. They are called intersecting lines. They are called intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. The common point is called the point of intersection. But here more than two lines are having one common point. That is why I told you they are called concurrent lines, and point of concurrence is called centroid. And this centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. So centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. That means AG is to GD equal to 2:1. 2:1. Okay. Similarly, BG is to GE also. BG is to GE also 2:1. Similarly, CG is to GF. CG is to GF is equal to 2:1. That is why we say centroid is the point of trisection of each median. So centroid is point of trisection. Why did I say trisection? 2 plus 1, 3. It makes 3. Trisection of each median. Centroid is the point of trisection of each median. Right? Now let me find the coordinates of centroid. Okay? How? We are given three vertices here. What are the three vertices? A of x1 y1, A of x1 y1, B of x2 y2, C of x3 y3. Three vertices of triangle are given. So how do we find the coordinates of centroid? What did I say? This D is what? Midpoint of BC, right? D is equal to midpoint of BC. Do you know how to find midpoint of BC? When we are given 2 points, midpoint formula already we had earlier. That is x2 plus x3 by 2, x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. These are the coordinates of D, right? So midpoint of BC is this. Midpoint of BC is this. D x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. Sum of average of x coordinates and average of y coordinates. That is called D. Now I am taking this AD line separately. A of x1 y1 and D of x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. So where do you have G here? Somewhere middle. This is 2:1. Now it looks like division formula. Once observe it, division formula. G of x comma y coordinates can be found by using division formula. Nothing but G of x comma y is division formula here, right? Division point. This is division point. So I know how to find the division formula. mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. This already we have seen earlier. my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So what is m here? 2:1. 2 is there m. 2 of x2 means what? This is x1 y1. I take this as x2 y2. What is x2 here? x2 plus x3 by 2 plus n x1, x1 means x1 only, upon m plus n, 2 plus 1. So I am applying division formula for this concept, okay, comma m y2, y2 means what, y2 plus y3 by 2 plus n y1 means same upon 2 plus 1. So simplify this we can cancel 2. So I can make this x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Right? So this is the formula to find out the coordinates of centroid when we are given 3 vertices, A of x1 y1, B of x2 y2 and C of x3 y3. So therefore the coordinates of centroid, formed by A of x1 y1, B of x2 y2 and C of x3 y3 is x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. These are the coordinates of centroid. So centroid formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. That nothing but average of x coordinates. See, sum of observations by number of observations. Average of y coordinates. Understood? So this is the median and centroid. Right? Coordinates of centroid to be found by using this formula. It is very helpful formula. So kindly remember everybody. Right? Thank you.